thought I'd pop on here and show you guys how I like to use my PSD mockup files. Here, I'm going to go ahead and import it into Affinity Photo is what I'm using. There it is. I actually took this photo, so yay if you want to use your own. But here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to input the design I want. And then I'm just going to simply drag and drop it onto the layer where it says drag image here. And voila. Just got to go ahead and make a few adjustments. And there you have your finished mockup. You can go ahead and go to the top now and export it as a PNG or a JPEG. For the files settings, I just leave mine all the same. I don't even bother fiddling with it. I just like to save mine as PNGs formats. And there you have it. Here's the finished image once you're finished, and woof, looks pretty damn good if you ask me. Alright, hope it helps.